But chill, nigga, you late. Try and use me as the bait. You skip steps, I nearly nailed it in the first take. I gotta do this for the sake of my mama in that dream house sitting up right beside the lake. I can't never.
What's going on, everybody? So I just picked up a new ride yesterday, actually last night. So I'm about to actually go on my first official ride with it. It's a KTM 390 RC. I'm really excited. I've been looking at this bike for like a year, to be 100% honest. I didn't know what 300 bike I wanted to go with, but man, I was loving this bike on the ride home. So I'm actually about to bring it out right now. Just about to go do a few errands, and then I'm about to might ride the cycle gear with the homie. But I look forward to bringing this in the canyons and to the track. Should be a lot of fun. Really digging this bike though. I really want to put a quick shifter on here. That'll be nice, and put some different tires on here. Those would be the first things I do. But it's pretty cool. I don't really have to do anything to the levers or the brakes. Everything is really race ready already. The suspension is really nice. Adjustable levers already. Foot pegs. Go in case of an accident or crash. I like it. I got to get this fender eliminator. Delete that immediately. And then I usually always take off my mirrors, but I kind of like them, especially because I'm gonna be commuting on the bike a lot. I'm for sure gonna probably keep them on there. I'm deciding about my cat delete because I know it gives it a little bit more power, but I'm kind of liking the sound right now, not being too obnoxious, but it's gonna sound a lot better when I do that cat delete. For sure gonna have to do that. And it won't let me. I can't. It goes to like 12 or 13 RPMs, but I can't go past 6 while I'm breaking it in. Oh, so I'm cool. Yeah, for 600 miles. I like he brought out the 400 though. I like that. Yeah. All right, Max likes to get up and go. Let's see how it keeps up. And like I was saying, I can't pass 6 RPMs because of the break-in period. It starts flashing the RPMs up here. Definitely feels smooth though. The brakes are elite. Oh, it's bright. Oh my goodness. Look at my red light. Oh, this is. Oh, he gone too. Not with you, Max. I got held up. I'll give him a little bit more run for his money right here. I'll let him know real quick. Why is it flashing? I gotta keep it easy, keep it easy. I real life gotta keep it easy. I'm not trying to all of a sudden hear a pop. I got caught up and I'm short shifting like hell. My thing is flashing at 6 RPMs. It's like ding 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 ding. I know, it feels good. Hey, we're gonna make a left up there at Fairview, right? For Home Depot. The quiet bike gang right now. Where's your GoPro? Huh? Where's your GoPro at? GoPro? He said home. Uh-oh, got them new tires. Watch out for that dirt. Watch out for that dirt. That's exactly what I say, yep. Police waiting.
You know what feels good? Being able to touch the ground.
For you. I came into that corner kind of hot. I didn't even have time to downshift. Trying to break in the tires too. Gotta keep it easy.
Hey, I think, bro, look at that.
Is that real? It looks hurt. What you gonna do? Take it home? Oh, I just copped this little tail bag for the rear seat. And bro, I didn't even know I had a seat on this, a rear passenger seat. They both told me, Max right here and the homie at Cycle Gear. I couldn't even believe it. Look, doesn't this look like a regular seat cowl, y'all? It's soft. I can't believe that. That's crazy. I gotta get the R6 feeling this comfortable. I know that's no way, but oh yeah, like I was saying, y'all, I didn't know this had a seat. And this is soft. Doesn't this look hard? This thing trips me out, bro. Wait till I tell my girl. She's gonna be like, what? Bro, the dude at Cycle Gear was like, you never touched it? I'm like, hey, listen. I just got it last night. I haven't had too much time to touch the whole bike and stuff, man. But yeah, I'm juiced. I was honestly getting ready to look for a passenger rear seat. Not that I'm really gonna need it, but still, it's good to have one. Let's go down this hill.
Down the hill?
Let's go. Hey, you can't go over 7 RPMs.
Okay.
You gotta look. Can't go over 7.
Check the mic and make
You
sure
can be in whatever gear you want, but you can't go over 7 RPMs in any gear. Cause I can't. Uh-oh. Oh, missed the shift. Ah, I was flashing. I can't do no more. 70 is the limit. Yeah, I have to say, you guys, bike feels real good. Can't wait to take it on some more twisty roads. And let me know what you guys think I should do to the bike or whatever, man. But I'll see you guys in the next video, man. Peace.